Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in Square. So make sure to stick around until the end. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open the Square app or go to your Square dashboard. Once you're there, select invoices from the navigation panel. Now tap on create invoice. From here, add your customer's name and email address. If you already have customers saved in your Square customer directory, you can just select from the list and hit add to invoice. Next, you will want to add an item to the invoice. Simply choose it from your item library and adjust the quantity as needed. You can also add any additional invoice detail or even include a custom message for your client. Once you have done that, preview the invoice to see how it looks when your client receives it. If you want to customize the look of your invoice, you can change the color and even add a logo by heading over to Accounts and Settings in your Square dashboard. Once you're happy with everything, just tap send. Your client will receive the invoice via email and can pay using any supported credit or debit card or even in person. After the payment is completed, both you and your client will get a confirmation emailed. So you'll know everything is taken care of. And that's how you can create an invoice in Square. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. See you in the next one.